Notions. My name is Kunbi Ikoyi. I'm CEO of Kunbi's Music Company. I'm so excited to welcome you to our center here in Ikoyi and in any of our centers across Lagos State and also online. We offer music lessons for adults, for children, for people living with disabilities, and even for your colleagues at work. We have some fantastic workshops, team building activities that I'm sure your team would love. So, whatever it is that you need musically, think of us, give us a try, and I'm sure that you'll have a fantastic experience. We look forward to welcoming you at some point. Take care.
Hello, my name is Olechi Adata Andaji, and welcome to Kunbi's Music Company. At Kunbi's Music Company, we make sure that our students learn, create, and enjoy music. So come on in. So when you first come to Kunbi's Music Company, you first meet our wall of fame. Here we show the achievements of our students, past and present, on our wall. So you see that they are doing well and we are taking care of them very, very well. Yes. Next, we have our first line of communication, which is our receptionist office. This is where you get in contact with Kumbi's Music Company and you can talk about what you want your child or yourself, because people of all ages can come and learn music, about how to start learning and what are the next steps. And now we have our workspace where the staff of Kobe's Music Company gets to work efficiently every single day because we're hard at our work. We work very, very hard. Yes, so this is the workspace. It's very efficient for us. Next, we have our waiting area. Here, our guardians and parents are able to wait for their children to finish their sessions, or staff can come here to relax a little bit while they would get themselves back to go back to work. So now you have seen our reception space. Now we're going to move over to the classrooms at Kunbi's Music Company. So let's move. Okay. Okay, so first we have the guitar room. So let's go see what's going on inside. So we're here at our guitar room at KMC with our guitar instructor. Hello, Mr. Joseph.
Hello, yo.
Welcome to the piano lab where we're able to learn simple melodies to advanced pieces here and even at group lessons. Okay. So we are at the music production studio with our KMC instructor, Mr. Raphael. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so he's in charge of taking our students on music production, and we use the app or website BandLab to start it off with them. Okay, can you show us what you're working on right now?
Okay, so I'm just working on a little bit for I just actually made this up. So
Wow, that's impressive sound. Okay.
that's basically music production.
Yes. Okay then. For this.
Okay, so before we start playing a song, we usually teach the major skill. So I'll just try and run some skills like the C major skills. Yes. So when you come to KMC, we are going to give you more and more. We don't have only one major skill, we have a lot of major skills, so we're going to teach you the thing.
Okay, so we have the drum sticker. Welcome in. Okay, so right now we have different types of drums here, where we teach our students how to play drums. We have the normal drum sets. Then we have the talking drums. And we have the conga. So that's it for the drums. Off to the concert hall. Okay, we are at our final space. Come on in. This is the concert hall. Okay. So welcome to the hall where we usually take events and our boogie event.